Welcome guys. In this tutorial I will show you how to import a shapefile into the PostgreSQL database. First make sure you have installed PostgreSQL in your machine properly, and you have created a sample database to import your data. For this tutorial I'm going to create a database called demo. This is a PostgreSQL database with PostGIS functions enabled. So to give these PostGIS capabilities, I need to create this database with PostGIS template. So make sure you have selected this PostGIS template. Otherwise, it is just a plain PostgreSQL database, but it won't have any PostGIS functionalities, and it cannot run PostGIS functions. So now the database is being created, and yes, here you can see the public schema and these two tables related to PostGIS. These tables were created. Geometric columns and spatial references for holding different kinds of spatial reference identifiers, and these geometric columns for keeping individual geometric columns of other relevant tables in your database. So this something like a lookup table. So now the purpose is to load a shapefile into this PostgreSQL database. For this tutorial I am using the graphical shapefile loader. Optionally you can use the PostgreSQL command for loading the shapefile data, but I am not cover that command way. I'm going to open my PostGIS database loader. This tool can be find within your PostgreSQL installation. If you have any difficulties to find this GUI tool, you can move to this installation folder and find this tool under the PostgreSQL version, and this within this bin folder. There's another folder called PostGIS GUI. Under this folder hierarchy you can find this shape to PGSQL GUI. So run this file and this will open the GUI loader. Here browse and point to a shapefile. So here is my shapefile, and now enter your database credentials for your PostgreSQL database. And now the port number. In this case I am using a special port, but in the default the 5432, that port would work for you. And the database is demo. Connection succeeded. So now in this, under this configuration box, enter the table details for your shapefile. So this shapefile information is going to a separate table within this demo database. The schema should match for this schema under demo database. This schema name should match. SRID is the special reference identifier for this information, special data. Here I will change it to SRID. Optionally you can give your own for your information. And the destination table, you can change it if required, otherwise it would get the name as your shapefile by default. And then the geometry column, it would be the underscore geo for storing this geometrical data. And now you are ready to import, but before that you can check these options and change if anything required. This is a setting that I always check here to create a special index automatically for my data. So it will be indexed automatically with this table creation. So everything is okay. Now I'm going to import my data, and you can see the log shapefile imported completed. So let's close this and refresh these tables, and you can see a new table has been created, and the information, the columns created for this table, and you can see the geometry column. Next, check this geometry columns table, and you can see that the new record has been added with this point to my new table. Schema public, the table name, and the geometry column name is the geom, and the coordinate dimension, so whether it's a 2D dimension or 3D dimension. Here it's 2, and this RID, and the geometrical type, it's a line, string, polygon, point, whether such sort of data. So now everything is okay, and I hope you understand this tutorial, and wish you all the success with your work.